sorry guys, I can't do this anymore. I'm quitting the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Finally have another update video, kind of an update video. Finally bought the disc brakes for the Datsun 521, and I want to do like a video where I show you guys the actual brake kit that I bought. I'll put the link down in the description if anybody's interested in buying these specific brakes, but obviously you can get them anywhere. Not sponsored. I wish I was though. But I'll show you guys the brakes before I install them, and then in the same video later on in the video, if you guys want to stick around, I'm gonna actually install the brakes or show the results after I install them. I don't know the last part yet because I'm filming this before that. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys what actually comes in the kit. First thing that comes in the kit, or not the first thing, but one of the things that comes in the kit is obviously the adapter. You're gonna need this adapter if you're gonna do, disc brakes. You have the 4 holes for the bolts that go on, pretty sure the hub. So I think this goes on the hub. Don't quote me on that. But this is where the caliper actually goes. So you have this like that on the hub, and then you have the caliper on the side right here. So this is what you actually need to do the brake kit conversion. And according to the website, you do need to reduce the hub size. So I might have to do that. This isn't exactly a bolt-on. You do need some work. According to the website again, I haven't done this. Neither are my sponsors, so I don't know. But hopefully it's not that much of a pain in the ass to install when it comes to putting this on. Obviously, you need calipers for a brake, right? So I got these. I got the Wilwood 4-piston caliper brakes. These are calipers. 4 pistons. I believe there's 2 piston options, but it was the same price for this, so I just ended up going with this. This is what they look like. It's just gray calipers, 4 pistons. As you can see, inside is 2 up top and 2 at the bottom, or depending on the orientation, obviously goes like this. So yeah, 2 with 2. So there's gonna be plenty of braking power for the truck. I don't doubt it. I might have been a little overkill if I'm being honest, but hey, brakes are brakes. You can never go wrong with bigger calipers. Something you do want to invest on. You don't want to end up in a crash, especially with drum brakes. You don't want them failing at the last moment, and then you crash and possibly die. So you also have the brake hose, the front. By the way, I did forgot to specify. But this brake kit is for the front of it. I didn't buy one for the rear yet. I might do that eventually, but not yet. But just to get these brake hose, comes with the hardware. You have the little clamp there so the hose doesn't come out. Haven't really looked at how this goes on, but it shouldn't be that hard to install. It should be like the rear end, because I did rebuild the drum brakes for the rear end, so I kind of have an idea of how this might go. You can't have calipers or brakes without the brake pads, otherwise how are you going to stop? So it came with these, right? It just doesn't really have not much of a description on it. It's just like high performance brake pads. Those are the only ones I could choose on the website. Again, you don't need high performance brakes for everything. This is just what I opted for, but it's just the brake pads, right? You have your brake pads. It's 4 in here, 2 for each caliper, which is what you need. So the complete kit goes. I have the caliper, the hoses, the pads, and the hardware. Here's the hardware. It's not much to it. It's just nuts and bolts and some washers. So you have that. So it says that it comes with everything that you need. Hopefully it does, because I don't want to go, to my local auto parts store or hardware store and have to buy more hardware supplies, because that'd be a bummer. Yeah, you should have all these things that you need to install these without an issue. This is the brake rotors. These are the rotors that I opted out for. These are really basic rotors. It's not slotted or drilled or anything. These are rotors that you can find at any parts store. I don't know if I can open these, but these are closed. It's like sealed, right? But you get 6 lugs, so that's what I need, 6 lugs. Pretty sure this is a Chevy bolt pattern, so if you don't want to buy the full kit yourself, you could just probably buy it piece by piece. All you do really need is the what's it called, the adapter. So you might need the adapter, then you can buy the caliper, the brake pads, the hoses, and the rotors all separately. But I just decided to buy it together because I thought it was gonna be easier, you know. I don't have to go around stores buying everything separately. And the hardware, have that in one place. So I thought it was easier on my end. And yeah, these are the brake rotors. That's pretty much all that comes with the kit, and it should be all that I need to get them installed. So let's see if I'm able to get them installed in the next clip, right?